Dear students, we are doing the practice of the different examples on the capacitor. See, in the last video we are on this example. See, this is the capacitor and the dielectric medium K1 is kept on the upper side and dielectric medium having a constant K2 is kept on the lower side. So area of the plate is divided A by 2 and A by 2. So that's why we can simplify this diagram in this way. So here we can calculate the value of C1, right? C1 equal to, first of all we write the general formula, that is epsilon 0 A by D. When the dielectric medium is kept, we will replace this epsilon 0 by the epsilon only, right? And after writing the value of epsilon, that is epsilon 0 into K. So we will write epsilon 0 K 1 into this A by D. This is the formula of a capacitance 1 where the dielectric medium K1 is kept inside it. Okay, this is the formula. Here the A will be replaced by A by 2. So replace this A by the A by 2. Correct? So the formula becomes K1 epsilon 0 A by 2D. Correct? This is the formula of capacitance of the capacitor first. Now for the second, C2, right? Epsilon 0, similarly we will write, instead of K1 we will write K2, instead of A we will write A by 2. Here this plate also divided by A by 2. So we will write A by 2 and the separation is D. Correct? So in this way we will write this. So finally this formula becomes K2 epsilon 0 A by 2B. This is the C2. Here we can say that this is the formula for C1. This is the capacitance of the first capacitor, capacitance of the second capacitor. Here you can easily say that the C1 and C2 are in parallel. So what is the equivalent capacitance? So C equivalent equal to, we will write C1 plus C2. What will you get? So you will get, that is K1 epsilon 0 A by 2D plus K2 epsilon 0 A by 2D. What you can take outside? You can take epsilon 0 A by 2D outside. You will get Q1 and K1 and K2. Right? So this is the equivalent capacitance, C equivalent. Right? When the two separations are there like this. Suppose there are n separation. Suppose the diagram will be like this. Suppose this is the capacitor, right? This is the capacitor. First separation, second separation, third separation, fourth separation. K1 is the dielectric medium, K2 is the dielectric medium, K3 is the dielectric medium. Up to you can write Kn. Up to you can write Kn. Then what will be your formula? Generally we can write, what we can write, C equivalent equal to epsilon 0 A by, instead of 2 we will write N, right? D remains as it is, N into D, right? Here we will write K1 plus K2 plus up to Kn we can write. So this is your final answer. Correct? Okay. You just note down this. We will move towards the next question. See the next question. Suppose the diagram is like this. Here is the dielectric up to the D by 2 separation. The dielectric medium is K1 and here suppose K2 is the dielectric medium is kept, and here the K3 is the dielectric medium is kept. How we will solve this? Correct? This is the question, right? From the, it is asked in IIT 2000. Correct? Okay. So this is the question. What we will do over here? Here it is the separation again, d by 2. You can see that the area of the plate is A. Here for the K2 area of plate is A by 2. For the K3 area of the plate is again divided by A by 2. So first of all we will calculate C1, C2, C3. See the equivalent diagram, simplified diagram. This is the first capacitor C1, right? It is C1. Dielectric medium is K1. Separation is D by 2. Now here are the two capacitors and which are parallel. So we will draw the diagram like this. This is the first capacitor, this is the second capacitor. Like this. This is the second capacitor, this is the third capacitor. Right? The separation is D by 2, separation is D by 2, but the area is A by 2. Area of the plate is A by 2, area of the plate is A by 2. First of all, we will calculate C1, C2 and C3. What is C1? C1 equal to, now we will write directly, epsilon 0, K1 is the dielectric medium, A is the area of the plate, A by D by 2, D by 2. This is the capacitance of the first capacitor. Now for the second over here, C, epsilon 0, K2, what is area? A by 2. So we will write A by 2. What is D? It is D by 2. D by 2. These two get cancelled. So finally C2 equal to K2 epsilon 0 A by D. Equation 1. Equation 2. Now for the C3. C3 equal to again epsilon 0 K3, what is A? A by 2. So we will write A by 2. What is D? D by 2. So D by 2. So these two get cancelled. C3 equal to epsilon 0 K3 A by D. This is your third equation. First of all, we will solve this C2 and C3. We will take the equivalent of C2 and C3. So we can write like this, right? See, this is the first capacitor C1. After solving this, you will get C dash. What is C dash? C dash equal to C1. They are in parallel, right? They are in parallel. So we will write C dash equal to what? C2 plus C3. What is the formula for parallel? C2 plus C3. What is C2? That is K2 epsilon 0 A by D plus, what is this? That is K3 epsilon 0 A by D. So taking outside epsilon 0 A by D, you will get K2 plus K3. This is C dash. Now you can say that C dash and C are in series. So finally equivalent capacitance C equivalent equal to C dash and C are in series. So C dash into C divided by C dash plus C, using the formula for series combination. So by putting the values, we will get, now I can erase the diagram. See what will we get? C equivalent equal to all of you just concentrate. What is C dash? Okay. What is C dash? C dash equal to, we will put epsilon 0 A by D, right? K2 plus K3 into what is C? C equal to, it is C1. So we will write over here C1. It is C1. What is C1? C1 equal to epsilon 0 K1 A2 divided by D. Again, right? C. Addition of these two. Epsilon 0 A by D K2 plus K3 plus epsilon 0 K1 A into 2 by D. Now take the common things outside. We will write this like this: epsilon 0 C K1 epsilon 0 2 by D into epsilon 0 A by D K2 plus K3 divided by, taking the common thing outside, here epsilon 0 A by D, right? We can take common epsilon 0 A by D. So you will get K2 K3 plus, from here you will get only 2K1, correct? So you can take this, will be cancel out, and the remaining thing you can write. So this is your final answer, right? So you can do like this. Last step you can solve, right? Okay, the next question we are going to see, that is, you can take it as a homework. It is a similar question, that's why. Okay, copy down this. Okay, you can solve the last step, na? See the next question. This is the homework for you. You just note down in your notebook and try to solve. If any difficulty arises, then you can comment me. D by 2 is the separation. D by 2 is the separation. Here is the dielectric medium K1, and the second thing, it is divided into three parts: first, second and third. It is K2, it is K3, it is K4. A by 3, A by 3 and A by 3. Here the plate, area of plate is A. Here the plate is A by 3, A by 3 and A by 3. Dielectric constant K1, dielectric constant K2 and dielectric constant K3 and K4. Solve this question. We have already solved this question, such type of question. That's why I am giving you as a homework. You can do this, right? So this question is asked in NEET. NEET 2016, right? This is a question of NEET 2016, correct? Okay. So next question we'll solve. You just take this as a homework. For any query you can comment me in the comment box. So these are the questions. The next questions we will see in the next videos. Thank you.